Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of egg puffs. And for the beginners, I am making an puff pastry. You can see the puff pastry exact recipe how I am making with the layers. And this task was given by the one of the viewer and one of my well-wisher. It's Madhu. And thanks Madhu for giving this task. You can check my recipe how I am making and check ingredients. The ingredients are all-purpose flour 250 grams, vinegar or citric acid or any lemon juice 2 tablespoons, and soft margarine 25 grams, and hard margarine for sheeting 120 grams. It's only for sheeting and it's for dough mixing. Keep it in a side both. And salt 7 grams, water 120 grams. Check as required how much quantity of water you want to take. This is the recipe for the puff pastry. Then I am making an eggs puff. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the mixing bowl and you can check how I am mixing the flour. First add the all-purpose flour and salt, soft margarine and vinegar, next add the water, check as required and mix it nicely. The dough should be very hard. It's not like chapati dough. And mix it like this. It should be very hard. Knead it nicely and resist for half an hour. Then make a sheet. Finally the dough is completed. Then chill it for 30 minutes. Keep it in a fridge. Then make a roll. Now I am removing the dough from the fridge. Let's see how I am making. Sieve the flour. Make the round dough, then roll it. The dough should be very tight when you are making. And roll the dough on edges. I am making envelope method. There are two types of folding methods. Roll it nicely. Then hard margarine take into two parts. for folding, and keep it in a middle. This is an envelope method. Again roll it and make the sheet. Next add again second part of margarine, and keep like this, and again fold it. Now it's an A fold and B fold, set like this. And again sheet it. Two sheeting rolls is over, and set into like this, and keep it in a fridge for 10 minutes. Then make another sheet, then wet cloth and keep it in a fridge. And this is the final sheet, third sheet. Make it again one sheet. See how I am doing. Press slowly. Now you can see how thick it is. Then cut into square shapes. First of all, cut the edges. You can see a little bit of layers. Cut into 4 edges and make half. Cut into 6 pieces. See how I cut it. Now fold it. I am folding 2 types of foldings. It's an book method. And this finally I am showing another. Check it. How I am folding. You can fold like this. Grease the tray with oil and set it nicely. Folding on down. The puff rolls is done, and cut into 6 pieces and put the egg. Then take one egg, add water, brush it nicely on top. See. Then I'm putting on oven. Preheat the oven for 200 degrees Celsius when you are using before 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and keep for 200 degrees Celsius for egg puffs and any puff pastry. It's completed. The layers of puff pastry inside the egg, the layers and egg puff, I cut it into middle, and it's very crispy too. I'm eating with tomato ketchup. I like mostly. Thanks for watching.